Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool channel. Today I want to just show you, just talk about some accessories that I bought for two test instruments that I've done a review on already. These are some very important accessories that go with them. Mainly, one in general is the Ideal, let me get it out, Ideal Sure Test Branch Circuit Analyzer. Model number is 61-165. That'll be this one. And my Ideal Sure Test Voltage Performance Monitor, and it would be this one. Now, these two I bought for this one. Okay, and why I bought it for this already has a, it does more than just when you use this thing, you put it in here, for example, and we get a receptacle and we put it in. No, but it does a lot more with the receptacle than just that. These are mainly used, or you can also use these like in hospitals when you're checking for isolated receptacles, and also continuity to see if the ground is, if the receptacle is properly ground. So that's what these are for. And how you put this on the side for a minute, and how you use this thing here. And bear with me for a minute because, well, let me give you the model number of these two. This is the ground test, the ground continuity adapter, this one, and the model number is 61-175. It's Sure Test ground continuity adapter, and it's by Ideal Industries. That's it if you need to see it. And that's be for the green one. And for the isolated receptacles, which will be this one, it's the Ideal 61-176 Sure Test isolated ground adapter. And it'll be the orange one. Okay? So, and I'll give you a demonstration of how how they work. I never had to check for isolated ground before. I have checked for continuity, but I never had to check for a isolated ground receptacle before. So I'm reading out of the manual, the Ideal Industries manual, on how you should use these devices right here. Okay, so I got an empty receptacle box here, and it would be something like, okay, we'll put the screw in here. Let me give you an idea of what we're talking about. Okay. Get a bigger screwdriver. Okay. Now, just suppose that was a receptacle right there. It's telling me to do, we're going to do a ground continuity. We're going to use this one first and show you how to do it. They say, plug in the Sure Test into the ground continuity adapter, isolates the Sure Test from the ground, electrical ground. They say if the equipment is properly grounded, then connecting the alligator clip from the ground continuity adapter to the cabinet. Okay, so it's telling me how to do it. Okay, plug in the Sure Test into the ground with the continuity adapter. Okay, they want you to do it like this, and then they want you to do it like this, which goes in here. Let me take this Velcro off. They want you to do that, and they want you to plug it in here. For example, that's how you'll plug it in. And this breaks the ground, because all of this will be grounded. These, the yokes, they call it, the yoke will be part of the ground. So this is going to stop it from being connected to that. You're going to block it, and this is going to tell if it's connected. So what you do, you can either ground it to the box, because the box should be grounded. If you were to put a ground to that screw back there, which you should, you could just put this to the box, and when the power is on, that should still read correct wiring. That's how you would do this with that one. Now, with the With the other one, it's basically the same thing, and it's going to do just the opposite. Let me get this out of here. What you want to do with this one, you want to do the same exact thing. You want to put this in here like that. Okay, you want to put this in here like that. And it's telling me to just to grind impedance of the receptacle. They say attach the alligator clip to the center of the screw. Okay, they want this one. Now I don't have the center screw that goes right here, but they will want me to put this clip on here and connect it to that center screw that goes right here. And with the power on, that should tell you that it's wired correctly. And as far as the isolated ground is concerned. So, you know, there are more functions to this device than if y'all have this device. These are the accessories that goes with it. And that's how you use those. And if I'm talking a little bit too fast, you can read the ideal user manual for the Sure Test voltage. Then you can read that. In fact, it'll be on page 12. It'll be on page 12 under isolated ground adapter, ground continuity adapter. It'll be under there. So it'll tell you how to use these adapters. And that's it. Now, with this one, what I wanted to do, remember this is a voltage performance monitor. I've done a video on both of these, and I've done a video on this also. Now, reason why I bought this adapter right here, and it came with this. This is a KLEIN product. I could have bought the Ideal, but they're all the same. It's a KLEIN product, the circuit breaker kit, model number 69411. This all came together. I just cut it open to get it out of here. And this, what I'm using this for is sometimes you have to take a receptacle off, even a light switch. You may be having problems with that light switch. Everything look fine. There's nothing wrong with the light switch there. Somebody complaining about, well, they get sag swelter at the night, lights blinking, whatever, you know, anything like that. Well, and this is the meter that you want to, this is the tester that you want to put on it. So what I do is, I will put that in there, and I would clip these. I would take the switch off, the receptacle off, and I was clamp these on the circuit, and I will watch for the sag, swell, impulses, or total distortion, harmonic distortion, and I'll see. But that's why I bought this adapter for this. So now everything's even this. If there's something in it concerning with a light, somebody have trouble with a light switch. A light. Well, this could work that way also. I'll put this inside of the light, and I will go put that up there, and it'll help you find the problem. You know, all of this stuff here, man. This is I try to buy whatever I buy as far as any of my test instruments. I try to buy, if you know, all of the accessories that I can that goes with that test instrument. If I can use them, or I know down the line that I will be using it, one of those specialty type tools or special occasions, you know, I'm going to get it. So that's why I bought these things right here. Again, this is the Ideal. Before I close it out, this is the Ideal. No, it's this one. This is the Ideal 61-175 Sure Test ground continuity adapter. Is the green one, and the orange one is the Ideal 61-176 Sure Test isolated ground adapter, and it's the orange one right here, and that goes with this tester right here, the branch circuit analyzer by Ideal. And this one didn't come, this one didn't come with these accessories. The only thing this comes with different plugs, in case it depends on what city, not city, what country you live in, and so on and so forth. But I just bought this anyway because you never know when I might need it. Using something like this, what has a polarized plug like this, I can use this. So, without further ado, I just want to thank you guys. You know, like I said, my videos, don't get me wrong, my videos don't be, you know, I don't talk about, how can I say it? It's not for everybody. But as an electrician, I run across all these problems, and that's the name of my station, my channel, Electricians 2 channel, because everything I show you, or everything I display on my videos, you know, I'm going to use it at one time or another. And I like to be well-rounded, well-equipped when I'm going on the job. I like to have everything that I need. There are those of you who can relate to what I'm saying, and some people that, you know, that may not relate to what I'm saying, you know. If y'all got something out of this video, leave a comment, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to come back and check out my other videos. But, you know, I do talk about other things other than, you know, just a pair of lineman pliers or a pair of needle nose pliers and, you know, things like that. I do all sorts of electrical. And you know, I hope the tools that I'm showing you guys that, you know, that I'm opening your minds up, because that's what it's all about, being an electrician. You know, so with that being said, man, I want to thank y'all, those who are watching, and those who have turned it on my station and turned it off. I hope you come back. But in the meantime, take care. Peace out.